Welcome back to Skills Exceed. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a fully automated data entry form in Microsoft Excel. And the best part, even if this is your first day using Excel, you can do it. You don't need to be an expert to follow along. Download link to practice sheet available in the video description so you can start practice along. Whether you are handling employee attendance, tracking inventory, or managing customer records, this simple and powerful method will save your time, reduce errors, and make your data management feel effortless. But that's not all. Here's what you will learn today, step by step. We will create a structured Excel table to store employee attendance data, use basic formatting to make data look professional, add form control to start data entry, save the workbook for future use. So let's start. Here's our sheet. First we will create a table structure to store the data. As we are managing employee attendance, so we will start by employee ID, employee name, department, date, time in, time out, remarks. Now you can see that we have entered our data, but it is not looking well organized. So to make it well organized, select the first column and drag the mouse to the last column. And now you can see that whenever you bring your mouse cursor in between two columns, there is a special sign for adjustment. Once the sign appears, just make a double click. Once you make the double click, Excel will automatically adjust column width as per data available inside them. Now we have to give a title to the form. The title will be employee attendance. Select the entire range, go to the Home tab, press on Merge and Center. Now we have to give a background color. Go to the color options and select the color as per your choice. To make it more visually appealing, we will make it bold. We will select this option, bold. Now the table headers, the same thing. Select the table headers. Go to this color option and select color as per your choice. The last thing in formatting, we will apply some borders. Select the table. Go to the Home tab and you can see that select the border option. From this border option, we need all borders. Click on it and all borders are there. The final is alignment. Select the entire table. Go to this alignment section. First, give it a center align so that our data is vertically centered align. And the next is horizontally align your data in the center. Now the second part comes, we have to add our data entry form. Go to the file menu, then click on the options. From this new window, click on quick access toolbar. We will customize our quick access toolbar. Select all commands. From these all commands, we have to search and find the form control. Here is the form control. Once you select the form control, we have to press add. As you can see that I have already added this form control, so it is available here. Otherwise, when you click on add, the form will be added into this next screen. And finally, ensure that you must click on the show quick access toolbar button. It should be checked. Press OK. And now you can see that our form is there. To start entry, we need to select our all columns. Click on the form, then you will see a form option. Press OK, and now our data entry form is there. Now we will start data entry and see how easily we can enter our data into Excel sheet. We will give a sample employee ID. The data is not real, it is only for practice. Lucas, department HR, date, time in, AM, time out, and remarks. Once you have added your data into the all fields, press to renew so that our data entry is complete and we are able to enter the next record. Press OK. And now you can see that how easily our data is entered. We will enter the second employee. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got any question or want me to cover more Excel automation tips? Drop a comment below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.